Ethiopia, a new horizon of hope. One of the countries in Africa with the richest and oldest histories, an ethnically and religiously diverse country, the people are its true backbone and integral force to the new political reforms. Ethiopia is moving forward with intensity, only looking ahead and aiming towards economic and social stability and modernization. Ethiopia is one of Africa's most gorgeous lands with an abundance of resources, offering distinctive opportunities for financial and social development with the support of the country's hard-working people. A strategic location in the Horn of Africa with a developed network of transportation and communications makes a unique country geopolitically. As a result of Ethiopia's path towards development, the government has been implementing reforms on many scales, one of which is that of the industrial parks. The agencies AGWA for the US and IBA for Europe aid in accommodating companies not being burdened with export tax. The Industrial Park project has immense support from the new administration led by Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed.
Agenda to bring about economic transformation in the country. We have an economy that's predominantly agricultural led. We would like to bring a structural transformation of the economy where manufacturing sector plays a significant role. And with that view in mind, we have started building industrial parks in several parts of the country. Currently, actually, we have about 12 government built industrial parks and close to 8 private industrial parks that have been able to gain the interests and attention of several leading foreign companies, many of which are already operational in Ethiopia. But the industrial parks are just only part of the incentive that we provide to investors.
We have the all facilitation that the city have. So the first one, the policy and security that we have is, the second one is the one-stop service. All the government, like we call the immigration, the custom, the banks are inside the industrial parks.
Ethiopia provides affordable and abundant labor. It's also a country where you will have market access to the European Union, to the United States of America, duty-free, quota-free. And recently, Ethiopia is also one of those African countries that have signed up to the continental free trade area, which would unlock a market access to 1.2 billion population. So investing in Ethiopia will help investors enjoy this number of benefits that would come with it.
And the other one is that we are very critical on it, the zero liquid discharge. So no wastage will go out from the industrial park. It will be treated inside the industrial park and we will use 85% of them. And the other is the hospital. It's a small clinic but will be treated inside the industrial park. The fire brigade, all the criteria that the investor need as a compliance standard is inside the industrial parks.
For example, Adama, a relatively new city for Ethiopian history, is located only 100 kilometers southwest of Addis Ababa with a brand new expressway leading there, which has shortened the travel time to 40 minutes from the capital. Adama hosts an industrial park that mainly produces textiles and apparel. The park is home to companies such as Antex Textile, Sunshine Ethiopia, and Charter Ventures Apparel. These companies supply their product to globally renowned companies like H&M and Zara. This industrial park is conveniently located very near the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway and is a wonderful option for investors. The companies here help create jobs for local residents who come close to 1 million people.
Adama Industrial Park is specialized in textile, apparel, and garment.
The only thing that makes Adama different from the other industrial parks is machinery fabrication, which in the near future will be started up by Hunan Adama. All these sheds are in operation in the Adama Industrial Park.
We have a plan to set up our own industrial park in Ethiopia.
The Adama Industrial Park has great advantages. One is the proximity to the capital city. Another is proximity to railways, as well as its proximity to expressways. For example, the Adama-Addis Expressway is adjacent to the park. This all provide great benefits for this industrial park.
At the moment, last year, our turnover, our sales for our group is 250 million US dollars. The climate is very good. All the years, nice, very nice.
A number of reasons that make Ethiopia the most preferred investment destinations in Africa. Come and invest in Ethiopia. Thank you.